Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally here to explain how to apply the jobs and what is the eligibility criteria for the jobs and what are the syllabus there for the companies. Before going to video, just click a subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your bell icon for every new updates. Now I will go for the what are the syllabus there for the specific company. In this I will give you brief introduction about what are the rounds there for the company and what is the syllabus there for the company and what is the time required for the company and how many questions asked in each round and for the coding round I will suggest some of the coding questions it will ask repeatedly for every company. I also share those kind of coding questions. In this, I will give you the brief introduction about what is the syllabus there for the Accenture company for 2025 freshers, and it is also applicable for the 2024, which are the students who are applying for the Accenture company. Now there will be a 3 rounds in the Accenture hiring test. After these 3 rounds are divided into 8 sections. After clearing these rounds, you have an interview round. The initially 7 section will consist of 92 questions. You should solve those questions within the time as given. The time as given by 135 minutes to solve all the questions. The last section is the communication assignment test. After clearing the all the rounds with the eligibility criteria for the Accenture company, you will be selected for the next interview round. And after that, these are the 4 rounds as given by the Accenture company, and it is providing every year. For first round, you should have a cognitive ability, and after that, a technical ability, after that, coding, after that, communication assignment. For cognitive ability, there will be a 50 questions. After technical ability, there will be a 40 questions. For coding, they will ask 2 questions. For communication assignment, 22-25 questions. This is the detailed breakdown of Accenture syllabus 2025. For intersection of the cognitive ability, in cognitive ability they will ask verbal, critical reasoning and problem solving, and after that abstract reasoning. For technical ability they will ask common application and MS Office questions. After that pseudocode, after that network security and cloud. In the coding they will mostly ask data structures and algorithms. You can solve those questions by using the programming language Python, Java, C or C++. These are the 7 sections. The first section is English ability. After that, critical reasoning and problem solving. After that, abstract reasoning, common application and MS Office, pseudocode, fundamental of network security and cloud, coding round. In English ability, they will ask up to 17 questions. In critical reasoning and problem solving, they will ask up to 18 questions. For abstract reasoning, they will ask 15 questions. For common application and MS Office, they will ask 12 questions. For pseudocode, they will ask up to 18 questions. For fundamental of network security and cloud, they will ask 10 questions. For coding round, they will ask 2 questions. These are the sections in the verbal detail syllabus. The first is a sentence correction. After that, pronunciation, grammar, reading comprehension, synopsis, synonyms, Adams and pairs, speech and voices, articles, sentence selections, and spotting error and sentence sitting arrangements. For sentence correction, they will ask up to 1 to 2 questions. The difficulty level is medium. For preposition, they will ask up to 1 to 2 questions. The difficulty level is a medium. For grammar, up to 3 questions. For reading comprehensions, up to 1 to 2 questions. The difficulty level is up to a medium to easy. For speeches and vocals, up to 1 to 2 questions. Spotting errors, 1 to 2 questions. Sitting arrangements, 1 to 2 questions. The difficulty level is also a medium and easy. For Accenture, critical reasoning and problem solving and abstract reasoning detailed syllabus. For Accenture logical topics, they given the arrangements, visual reasoning, blood relationships, flowcharts, statement and conclusions, coding and decoding, psychometric, directional sense, analogies, sitting arrangements, inferred meaning. For arrangements, they will ask up to 1 to 2 questions. The difficulty level is medium. For visual reasoning, they will ask up to 1 to 2, or they can ask only one question, which is difficulty level is medium. For blood relations, they will ask up to 1 to 2. For flowchart, they will ask up to 1 to 2. For statement and collections, they will ask up to 1 to 2. For coding and decoding, 2 questions. Psychometric for 2 questions. Directional sense, 2 questions. Analogies, 2 questions. Sitting arrangements, they will ask up to 1 to 2 questions. Infrared meaning, they will ask up to 1 to 2 questions. These all sections, the difficulty level is medium.